Hi scholars, happy Monday and Tuesday. So just a heads up, remember our class does meet live Monday and Tuesdays. Depending on when I have you for your small group, you'll work on this assignment the day that you do not meet with the small group. So if I met with you today for your small group, you can wait till tomorrow to work on it, or you worked on it yesterday, but just make sure don't overwhelm yourself. And we will have office hours from 2:40 to 4 this week, and then Friday's 11:30 to 12:50. I think Friday, though, is a PD day. I'm not sure, so I'm not sure if we're having it this Friday. Our learning target for today is students will consider the pressures characters face and how they're torn at times. And so you can see that like to be torn between something is indecisive, in between. So that's going to be our plan for today, and our plan is to jump into how characters can be torn when facing pressures. And so when we're thinking about the influence of setting on characters, I want us to think and to ask ourselves, what kind of place is this? When you're reading about the setting, the story, I want you to consider the mood and the place, the atmosphere, how people treat one another. And I also want you to think about the language that is being chosen and how it evokes emotion and images for us. And really, how you can tell if someone is indifferent or torn is think about how the character feels indifferently on the inside versus how they might act or how they feel like they need to appear to others. And so one way that you can show this in your work is putting the character's name on top and talking about how they might feel on the inside and how that looks on the outside. So for example, if maybe the main character fears like loss in the inside, and why on the outside that might look is because they've had abuse in their life or they're afraid of something, and so it makes them very hesitant to do certain things. That's one way to show. Fear of being found out, fear of letting, so yeah, this story has a lot of fear. But I want you to think about how on the inside they might feel one way and then how they might act a different way on the outside. And so when we're looking, and what I want you to submit today to Schoology is just reflect and think about how the setting affects and influences your character and maybe where they might be torn. If you want to record this, you may, or if you want to take a picture or write it down in your notebook, that's fine as well. And if you have any questions about today's assignment, just be there for the live class. And when the whole group is meeting or during office hours, we can go over that together. Good luck, and let me know what questions you have. Bye.